Right, so we're up at Callendar Square on the 6th of March 2025. We're running the High Street side. As you can probably hear, it's a very, very noisy site today. You'll see in a second why. But obviously we're stuck around here. So this bit's still not being touched because they're still waiting to separate it. But we'll head round. You can get a kind of idea of the kind of materials and stuff that are in there. Right. So we come around here, and as you can see, they've proper started getting this hole cleared out. Because we now have another two machines that are replacing the big one just now. And as you can see, right the way across that other side, you've got the big kind of crusher thing, like kind of separating machine right the way across the other side. That kind of yellow one that's got the back, or it's back facing to us, that's one that turned up yesterday, and then that one's clearly just turned up today. But as you can see, I'll put that right the way up there, you can get a pretty good idea of what's in here. I just about to see the boat mate. Right there in there. Which is mental. Because when you think, last time I was up here, that was all like, that was all just kind of rubble and stuff that was in there, but they've clearly scooped a lot of that stuff out. I think he's that kind of smaller one there. I think he's just kind of going through that kind of highway, that kind of sandy stuff which you saw in the kind of update one before, or slightly after they started up into the main bit of the hotel. We'll head round the other side. Come around this side, you might get a decent view down the. God, the big crushers just started up. Oh, it's on the move. Holy moly. That crusher's literally just turned up like about 2 minutes just before I started this video. He's got a small one, I don't think you can see it. Oh, there's a crusher coming off. space right now to put something of that size in. See the machines coming back on. I don't know where the LE's going. That's definitely going in that hole. That's why this sewing machine is moving. While we're waiting for that to come along, we'll go along here and I'll show you what's left of the building. To be perfectly honest, there's still quite a lot of that left. You can see it there, I think the machine there. All the girders and stuff which I thought they were going to get stuck in today. Last time I was up here, in fact the last time I was up here the big machine wasn't even here. It still isn't back here probably because it's still getting work done to it and stuff. So I'd say that's probably going to be done by that big machine, as well as here. As well as that bit there. Just the back of that small machine there. We're going to put in that hole a little bit. Yeah, we'll head along here as watch this big structure thing. Just realised that the guy who's walking with it, it's got like a big controller for it, that's what that cable is. I have no idea where that's going. Oh, he's nearly just about doing that hole. Where are you going? What on the map? should be able to see it a bit better now that it's up. Never mind. Why did I even say that? Because now the sun's came back out. Yeah, that crusher over in there. I don't know where the hell he thinks he's going because there's nothing room there. All the rebar and stuff. That small one's got a peg or a drill. So I suspect he'll probably be going down that hole to make up more fun. Small bits of rebar. But yeah, I think that'll be where I'll leave this one.